Okay, what's up, Mr. Gallus? We are group number 8, and today we're going to have a conversation in which we reflect on the merger between Daily Planet and Gotham Gazette and the Himalayan Pink case. We want to explore how these cases have shaped our understanding of negotiation.
Okay,
So, yep.
let's start with the Daily Planet. Gotham Gettys's case. What role did we, each of us, play, and what strategy did we use?
Okay, so number one, gather information about why we deserve more proportion of the new merging company. And number two was basically being a rebuttal, and he was arguing with the opposing team's statement. And number three was basically a speaker. He was effectively communicating with the opposition.
We think we did a great job and learned some communication skills and also learned how to debate with other people. Even we didn't have many advantage compared to the rival, but we could them.
Yes.
And what were some challenges we faced and how did we correctly overcome them?
Yeah, for my opinions, I think two problems we faced. The first one is price only negotiations. The problem is negotiations content is almost about discussing the price and the profits we can get for. And I think the solutions for that is price is an important factor. It's models. It is really the only one. I acknowledge that economics are not everything. Focus on important non-price factors such as relationships, like short and long term, and the larger interest. And the second is time pressures. We only have 20 minutes to think and discuss with each other, so time pressures can influence this decision and make it quickly. I think solutions we should discuss and concentrate on the main points and give a good deal to the partners. And if they disagree and show our ideas, it's more reasonable and logical.
I faced challenges while we were communicating. I think we had some hard time understanding each other because we lacked communicating and listening skills.
One of the biggest challenges was that we couldn't understand the English well. The way they speak and their accent was kind of difficult for us to understand. So even though we wanted to debate more, but we couldn't catch the words well, we paid a lot of attention on everything they say.
How do we think our strategy impacted the outcome?
We were trying not to persuade them at first by using the few advantage we got. Even they were way more richer than us, but in the end, we still got the amount of the money that very close to our goal.
I think we all had some. I think we needed a better strategy to have more impact. I think we needed to talk more about our influence in the reader number.
So we're going to case two.
Okay, moving on to the Himalayan Pink case. How did our roles influence our group's approach?
So there are three roles in this case. The first one is Himalaya Pink, and the second is Joe Kim, the inventor, and the third person is Sam Young, Kim lawyer. The argument is about how much exercise should get. Dr. Kim won the highest value. Himalaya Pink prefers the lowest cost with the highest gains, and Sam Young benefit from the highest upfront payment.
I think we all had some fun experience trying to negotiate to have more benefits. I think it was finding a solution where we all can have benefits.
And the strategy we found most effective in this negotiation was using our advantage to persuade others to believe and join us.
Reflecting on our outcome, what can we learn from it?
Well, I think we learned how to argue with other people and persuade other people with the few things we have, and learn some speaking skills and also some difficult English vocabulary from this case.
So now that we discussed both cases, what are our key takeaways?
I learned to be a better speaker and a better listener. I think I learned to understand and pay attention to my opposing people.
I learned how to speak out my opinions and how to be more confident when I have to speak to other and listening to other people's thoughts. And how will these lessons influence our future negotiation strategies?
I think through negotiation, I can prove the critical thinking and determine the partner thinking, and also demands can determine their demands so as to discuss the good deal with them. Furthermore, I can get a good brands for myself and have good partners in the future.
And I think more experience in negotiating will make us better speaker and listener. I think it will make us more creative and open-minded in making strategy next time.
After this class, I think I'll be more confident when I have to speak or debate with other people in future and learn how to think some company ideas and also be more open-minded to others' opinion. Thank you for watching our group's reflection. We appreciate the opportunity to develop practical negotiation skills through this exercise, which were not just theoretical. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Cut.